for my principal. Mrs. Hurley never stayed in her office for long, but her claw-nailed secretary always knew where to find her. In the classroom, or the auditorium, or the hallway, kept clean by the swish and the scrape of her low heels, her hair morphing from black to gray. No need to ask if she knew your name or knew how to hang a gold star at the top of the honor roll where she made you want to be. This, in the days when to be a principal was to be holy, to be deaconess of the lunch line, making sure that Allen, who never ate at home, ate first. Never sitting out the quarterly field trip to the Alliance for Children's Theater. I didn't know you could be named Frederica, but even the teachers knew better than to call her by her first name. First grade. Such a glorious time to learn that a Black woman can do more than cook or avoid her husband. Mrs. Hurley never hurried, paused at the math door, the gym door, the homeroom, the science class, even made a pit stop to snap her thick fingers and bring us to attention during story time. This, in those days when potential was your first spelling word and achievement was your last. She and Dr. King were buddies in those days when nobody cursed at school. Hold up. Danielle, do I need to say that line? I like that line. She and Dr. King were buddies in those days when nobody cursed at school. Not even Miss Epps, when the chalkboard fell on her foot. A call to Mrs. Hurley's office was a chance to see her up close, to smell the sunshine of her, the concern creasing her eyelids, the unpolished nails neatly filed, the folds of belly, just like grandmama's, but leaning over a more expensive, more educated skirt. She was a living saint back in the day when we still knew who to worship. Last week, I saw Mrs. Hurley on Facebook. A classmate had spotted her in Kroger. Look who I found in aisle 9. She was thinner, more gentle, but unaged. Her eyes remaining witness to the grace that she had made in us, in me, in me. Principals, lean toward me a little bit, lean in. Guess what? All those children that you miss, and even those that you don't, are missing you. Just in case COVID has made you forget, you are so central in those babies' lives. Now they wake up in the morning and they wonder where you are. You are their food. You know how, let's keep it real, Sonia. You know how, Sonia, is that Sonia at the bottom? You know how we're all concerned about whether or not the babies are getting enough to eat? Well, they aren't getting enough to eat. Guess what? Because you were the snack. You were the special for the day. You were the beauty. You were the grace. And for some of them, let's keep it real. You were mama.